How to manage your website or blog layout on Blogger. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is go to Blogger, and this is the dashboard as you can see. Now all what you have to do is just click right here on layout, and it will take you to this page. Right here you will find the top, header, page list, the ads, and the sidebar top. And then all what you have to do, you can manage them from here. As you can see, you can change the places, or you can add the gadget from here. You have many options, and yeah, this is very easy as you can see. And if this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching until the end. See you later.